Welcome to Animals in 1 Minute. Today we're in Cyprus, home to some surprising wildlife. First up, the Cypriot mouflon. This wild sheep is only found here, an incredible symbol of the island's nature. It's shy, fast, and lives in the Troodos Mountains. Next, Cyprus is a nesting ground for green and loggerhead sea turtles. They return to beaches like Lara Bay every summer to lay eggs. Birdwatchers rejoice. Look out for the griffon vulture, one of Europe's largest birds, and flamingos that turn the Salt Lakes pink each winter. Cyprus also hosts cool reptiles like the Cyprus whipsnake, found nowhere else in the world. From mountains to coasts, Cyprus is full of amazing creatures. Which one surprised you most? Subscribe for more wild animals, one country at a time.